Meebo's America's top robot. And they're off. Meebo's streaming video keeps us in on the action. Here comes Balance Bot. Ooh! Meebo's on the approach. And in position.
I totally failed that test. If my parents find out...
Oh, they will.
Did that just come from Meebo's mouth? Balance Bot is on the okay. Check out Meebo's arm control. It's safe to say we have a clear winner. Meebo!
Introducing the Backtrack Mobile Breathalyzer, the world's first smartphone breathalyzer. The results of your estimated blood alcohol content are transmitted wirelessly through Bluetooth technology to your iPhone. Professional-grade accuracy provides trusted results. Estimate when your BAC will return to 0%. Saved results help you gain insight about your drinking habits. Track what you drank and where with photos, notes, and drink logs. Keep your results private, share them with your friends, or with your whole network. Backtrack, the leader in breathalyzers with over a decade of experience, presents the Backtrack Mobile Breathalyzer.
This is the Echo Smart Pen from LiveScribe. It's a computer and a pen, and it works like this. The Smart Pen starts recording everything you write and hear. Write notes during a meeting or lecture. Draw diagrams. Mark important information. To replay, just tap your notes and high-quality audio plays back from that exact moment. You can jump forward or go back to notes from days, months, even years ago.
All right, goals, ready? Here we go.
The Echo Smart Pen connects to your PC or Mac computer by USB cable to transfer your notes and audio to LiveScribe Desktop. After the transfer, your digital notes and audio come to life as an interactive document called a pencast. Pencasts allow you to hear, see, and relive your notes exactly as they were recorded.
Phone or other small device.
To search your handwritten notes, type in any word. LiveScribe Desktop searches for every place that word appears in your writing. Stay organized with custom notebooks by combining pages from different notebooks. Notes can be transcribed into typed text by downloading an app that's sold separately. You can even share your notes and audio as an interactive PDF, accessible by anyone with the latest Adobe Reader. The Echo Smart Pen. It's time your notes worked for you.
It's Monday again, isn't it? This is Annie, who needs stress and tension relief over the night, but she never gets what she deserves. Many tried to fix the pillow problem, but they focused more on gimmicks like LEDs, speakers, odd materials, and sleep tracking devices inside the pillows. That's just silly. As a doctor myself, seeing too many people suffering from insomnia and sleep disorders, I thought I had to do something about it. And this is my first big step for you. Why tolerate poor sleep any longer? We wanted to take it back to the fundamentals, the core value of sleep itself. Rest, recharge, and repeat. Better sleep starts with not having to think about it. Introducing the Dual Plus Pillow. Ergonomically designed for you to rest, recharge, and repeat every night. First off, rest. Whether you are a side sleeper or a crazy sleeper, don't worry. It supports and aligns the natural curve of the cervical spines effortlessly in every direction. Secondly, recharge. No more waking up with a stiff neck and shoulder. Recharge your energy with 12 hours of undisturbed sleep. Did I say 12 hours? Yes. Trust me, even 8 hours will feel like 12, and your Monday will be full of energy. Thirdly, repeat. It ensures perfect sleep every night for many years to come. All-night comfort. How about durability? Watch this. Don't think about the sleep itself anymore. Leave that to us. With the Dual Plus pillow, you will sleep like a baby again. Rest, recharge, and repeat. You are going to love it because we designed it with such precision and love in mind. When sleep is solved, everything gets better. Even your Mondays. We can help. That we can promise.
Keeping our home safe is important to all of us. Getting your house broken into sucks. It's not just the stuff that you lose, but because your home feels violated. What you want is to keep it from happening in the first place. And that's why we created Kuna, to help you prevent break-ins. This is Kuna. Kuna is a smart Wi-Fi camera built into an elegant outdoor light fixture. It detects people and alerts you. So you can see and talk to them on your smartphone.
Hey, could you leave the package out front? We're a little busy.
It's cool, man. We're in the future.
And it's the best way to actively prevent break-ins.
Most burglaries are crimes of opportunity. The burglars will actually knock on your door to see if you're home. And when they realize you're not home, they'll attempt to enter your house. Keeping them outside is the most important thing you can do, and Kuna allows you to do that.
You can deter burglars by talking to them or setting off Kuna's alarm.
Can I help you?
I'm selling magazines.
Yeah, no thanks.
They'll leave. And all this happens when they're still outside, before they even try to break in. Making your home safer shouldn't be a chore. For one of these, you have to climb in the attic, run wires, drill holes. It's a pain, and it's not cheap. That's why we built Kuna into an outdoor light. Just replace your old light fixture and use your existing wiring. Connect Kuna to Wi-Fi and you're done. It'll take 15 minutes. And we want Kuna to look good no matter where it is. So we're making it in 3 different styles to match your house. And you can put Kuna anywhere. Front door, back door, even the garage to watch your car. Oh, and your light gets smarter too. You can control it with the Kuna app. Turn it on, turn it off, set a schedule, or just let it turn on automatically when it gets dark or when there's a person. You only want to get alerts that matter. Kuna ignores trees and small animals, and it recognizes people's behaviors. So if you don't want to know every time your spouse goes out jogging, you can tell Kuna to alert you only for visitors waiting at the door. And it'll learn and get smarter over time.
Hey, baby.
There's a peace of mind that comes from knowing what's happening at your home. Whether it's your loved ones or the delivery guy, Kuna will always let you know. And if it's someone bad, now you can do something about it. Kuna, stop break-ins before they happen.
Phones have evolved so much over the past 15 years. But there's one problem. They're too big for our hands. In fact, in the US alone, a phone breaks every 2 seconds, costing us time, money, and sometimes even our dignity. That's why we created Loopy, the first case with a loop to stop the drop. The first thing you'll notice about being in the loop is how secure and in control it feels. Loopy literally makes it hard to drop your phone. These phones are so big and slippery, they're impossible to use one-handed. They seem to put all the most used buttons in the hardest to reach spots. But with Loopy, reaching your whole screen is a breeze, even with the iPhone 6 Plus. Using your phone with Loopy is truly a one-handed experience. And who isn't always carrying a million things at once? The multi-grasp is a lifesaver. Simply flip, grab, and go. You don't realize how nice having an extra hand is until you're in the loop. Loopy is the perfect running buddy. All of your apps and music conveniently in your hand. No more frustrating, hard to reach armbands. Your phone has an awesome camera, and with Loopy, you can use it to its full potential for steady pictures and video. Even in crazy places you'd never imagined pulling out your phone before. In fact, this entire Kickstarter video was filmed using nothing but iPhones and our Loopies. How cool is that? We've gone through countless prototypes to find the perfect design, and even secured a patent. After testing dozens of materials, we chose silicone loops for their unique properties. Our loops are strong, they're durable, and they're super secure, ensuring that your phone goes nowhere. And most importantly, loops lay flat to fit into any pocket, even the tightest ones. And they're perfect for when you don't have pockets at all. They're super comfy, so no more face drops, and loops even act as a kickstand for sharing videos. Loops are easy to install and adjustable to fit any finger size. Plus, they're interchangeable, making Loopy perfect for any occasion. Loopy is the perfect balance of slim and protective, with wraparound bumpers to ensure that your phone stays in mint condition. And thanks to early customer reviews and surveys, no detail was overlooked, including oversized accessory ports, easy press buttons, and durable materials that are designed to outlast your next phone upgrade. Loopy won first prize at both Purdue and Indiana University entrepreneurship competitions, and those in the loop love their Loopies. Even the pros.
This is one of the highest rated slim cases that we reviewed out of 3 dozen cases. Always really refreshing to find a product that actually makes the technology that we have that's supposed to make our lives easier to use.
And now we need your support. Please back this project to help make Loopy a reality.
And please share this with everyone you can.
And with your support, we can stop the drop. Share this project on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, and we'll toss in one free Kickstarter edition loop with each case in your pledge.